everyone. In this video, we were going to talk about simple interest. First, let us define what is simple interest. Simple interest is an application of percentage. Understanding the concept of simple interest is not only important to you to know how to solve problems in class, but also it is a fundamental skill to help you manage your finances. With the basic knowledge on how the concept works, you get empowered to make good financial decisions. This is a simplified version of formula if you were just looking for the simple interest. Let's start first by defining the terms involved in simple interest. I is equal to PRT, which I is the simple interest, P stands for principal amount, R is the rate, and T is the time period. Let's now solve a problem regarding simple interest. Melody invested 500,000 in a simple savings account that earned 5% per year. How much did she have in total after 2 years? Since we were looking for the total, let us keep in mind that the total is the sum of the principal and the interest. We use I is equal to PRT. The principal amount is 500,000, the rate is 5%, and the time given is 2 years. Let us substitute. First, we need to multiply 0.05 or the 5% by 2, which is the 2 years. So now, I is equal to 500,000 multiplied by 0.05 and multiplied by 2, which of course is equal to 0.1. We have now I is equal to 500,000 multiplied by 0.1 is equal to 50,000. Let us add the amount of the principal to find the total. I is equal to 50,000 plus 500,000 is equal to 550,000. 550,000 is the total amount after 2 years. For our next problem, how long would it take you to earn 45,000 if you invest 300,000 in an account with a simple annual interest rate of 3%? Let's substitute. I is for 45,000, P is equal to 300,000, and R is equal to 2% or 0.03. And the missing given is the time period, and that is our X. We have now 45,000 is equal to 300,000 multiplied by 0.03 and X. If you were going to use algebra, the process is same thing when we have a variable. So, we have 45,000 is equal to 300,000 multiplied by 0.03 and X. 45,000 is equal to 9,000 and then X. To solve for X, divide both sides by 9,000, cancel. We can get X is equal to 45,000 divided by 9,000. We have X is equal to 5. So basically, the answer is 5 or 5 years. Our next problem, Sophia invested 100,000 in a simple savings account and kept it there for 10 years. If by the end of it, she had 180,000, what was the interest rate of the account? So this time we were looking for the interest rate. 180,000 is equal to the principal and the interest. So if the principal amount is 100,000, how much is the interest? 180,000 minus 100,000 is equal to 80,000. So our interest is 80,000. So let us substitute for the formula I is equal to PRT. I is 80,000 equals the initial investment 100,000 times the percentage. Since we don't know yet what is the rate, that would be our X. And then the time, that would be 10. Now let us solve. 80,000 is equal to 100,000 times X times 10. That would be 80,000 is equal to 1 million and X. To find the value of X, we have 80,000 is equal to 1 million X all over by 1 million, cancel. We have now X is equal to 0.08 or 8%. That would be the interest rate. For our fourth problem, Max received $2,250 loan from bank. After 6 months, he paid back $2,295 and closed the loan. Find the rate of the interest. So let us solve. To find the interest, first we need to subtract the amount to the principal. We have I is equal to 2,295 minus 2,250. I is equal to 45, so our interest is 45. In simple interest formula, we use the time period in years, but the time period given in the question is in months. So let us change the given time period in years. 6 months is equal to 6 over 12 because in a year we have 12 months. 6 months is equal to half a year. So the time period is 1/2 a year or simply 1/2. Let us plug these values in the above formula, which is the I is equal to PRT. I is equal to 45. 45 is equal to 2,250 multiplied by rate multiplied by 1/2. 2,250 multiplied 1/2 is 1,125. So we have now 45 is equal to 1,125 R. Divide both sides by 1,125, then cancel. 45 over 1,125 is equal to 0.04. To convert the decimal 0.04 into percentage, multiply it by 100. 0.04 multiply 100 is equal to 4 or 4%. Hence, the interest rate is 4%. And to our last problem, Melissa deposited $12,500 in her bank account where it will earn 4% interest. How much interest will Melissa earn in 5 years? We are asked to find the interest or the I. Write the formula I is equal to PRT. Substitute the given information. I is equal to 12,500 multiplied by 0.04 multiplied by 5. So, I is equal to 500 multiplied by 5 is equal to 2,500. So, the interest will Melissa earn in 5 years is 2,500. And that's all. I hope you learned something on how to solve simple interest. Thank you.